Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Ford Focus SE. This vehicle only has 33,059 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. For the month of September, all Apple Chevrolet customers will receive over $2,400 in savings. This front-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 2.0 liter four-cylinder engine and 16-inch sparkle silver painted aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black with a white line design seating throughout the entire vehicle. Now, when it comes to the front, we do have our standard radio and standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.